The hologram is a system of peer-to-peer care that allows us to see different dimensions of our struggles. It was invented by an artist called Cassie Thornton in 2020 and is now practiced by people all around the world. We explored multi-species hologramming to find out what help different species needed, because all our struggles are connected.
I would feel like my main thing that stood out for me is the fact that although you don't necessarily feel it massively, there is a lot of discrimination on how humans will pick what they class as important trees, and then they'll kind of like use and abuse you to their benefit, even if it means you could die out as a species, or they chop it all down, and that they don't take your feelings into consideration. So I think it's interesting how there's like this discrimination, and then also you mentioned about the hierarchy, and I think that's really interesting on like how you feel older trees should be protected, and then it's like, where is the like discrimination against an age of a tree, and does it become more worthy of life? And I think that's really interesting. That's what stuck out for me.
For me, it's more discrimination between types of trees. Certain trees are more used, deforested, and I relate to that. The honeybees are farmed, and our nectar and honey is stolen from us. We use that to feed our hives, and now it's been taken so humans can add it to their food. But they don't have the need for it. They have so much food out there, whereas we rely on it.
It's almost like the more worthy you are in the human eye, the more you're abused.
Yeah.
It's rather comforting to know that my species, as well as the rest of the non-human species, is sort of like support for you, whereas humans are the opposite for you. It's quite comforting to know that as a whole we are doing what we can that allows you to feel safe, comforted, things like that. It's downfall on humans' part that they're the reason you feel so unprotected, so uncared for, so used and abused as you've expressed.